Welcome back, everybody, to the Skyway Classics channel. I know we say this a lot, that we got a treat for you, but today we got a 89 Dodge Dakota Sport, a convertible truck. Beautiful, I want to say candy apple red. It is just a hot color. Look how it looks with those wheels. Let's take a look at the bed. The bed's in beautiful shape. Show you the door coming down. Just wonderful. Nice and easy. Clicks right back in. Let's check out the inside. The inside interior is a red as well. Almost like a red velvet. Very clean inside, as you can see. Beautiful cloth seats. Show you the door here real quick. All right. Some radio. Show you how the top comes down real quick. So it's really easy, as most convertibles. Two latches right here. One over the driver. One over the passenger. And then I'm gonna hop out real quick. She just lifts down, one-handed, just like that. Beautiful car. I mean, this is just unique. You really don't see many of these on the market at all. And to be in such great condition, you'll see once we get it on the lift and we take it out for a spin, just how beautiful she is. Well, right now, let's pop the hood, listen to the engine go, and then we'll take her down the road. How's it going, Al?
Hey, Mark. I know it's a little weird. We got the top down on this pickup truck, but I got the air conditioning on. Feel how ice cold this air.
Wow.
That's incredible.
That is super cold.
But a real blast from the past here. 1989 Dodge Dakota Convertible.
This is wild. I've never seen one of these.
I don't think there's another one up for sale anywhere. So if anybody's looking for one of these, 108,023 actual miles. Tachometer works, speedometer works. You know, nice and shift smart.
This guy's really nice.
Yeah, cool. I know it's gonna be a little louder with the wind, but you know, 55 miles an hour braking speed on it. But feel that air conditioning how nice and cold it is. Wow. Blinkers all work, bright lights, headlights. Just goes down the road.
Throw the kayaks in the back and have the top down.
I mean, a pickup truck. You actually have a pickup truck that's a factory convertible.
That's amazing.
So I'm going to go ahead and spin her around here so we can take it back and then throw her up on the hoist.
Sounds good.
But the guy that owns this truck is from northern Florida, and we got it on consignment, and I'm glad to have it because I don't think anybody can find something as nice and as smooth and as different as this car.
Alright, well, let's get her on the hoist and check her out underneath. Alright, we got the Dakota up here on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Very strong body and clean. Towel is taken care of very nicely. Walk you down the frame here. Let's get a little bit more of the sunlight on there. Show you from the back, and we'll do one more walk down. If you guys have any questions about this, You can find us on Facebook. Go to our website where you can have a number. You can call us. We'll do a walkthrough on FaceTime. And let us know if you want to get off the lot on this.